I'm sure you never heard about this Python concept. What if you want to store 10 numbers in Python? Do you create 10 variables for each? No. You'll just create one smart variable that holds everything. That's exactly what lists do in Python. Welcome to day 8 of Python from scratch. In the last video we learned about while loops, and today we are learning one of the most important concepts in Python, that is lists. So let's start the video. Let's first create a file and name it as day8.py. Now let's first understand what is a list. A list is a collection that can store multiple values inside a single variable. Like think of it like a bag that holds many items. Let me show you an example. Numbers. So here numbers is a list which has 4 values, and list is written using square brackets and the values are separated by using commas. So the main feature of list is, unlike other languages, Python list can store different data types. For example, let's take a list as my list, and we'll give some datas. I mean 10 comma 3.5. So here you can see this list contains a integer, a float, a string and a boolean, and all in one list. So this is not possible in any other languages. Now let's see how to access the list items. So every item in a list has an index number. Let me take another example. Fruits. So here the index number of apple is 0, and then this is 1 and 2. It always starts from 0. Suppose if I want to access apple, then I'll print using this function print, then the index name, and in square brackets I'll write the index number. So the index number of apple is 0, therefore I'll write 0 here. Now let me run this. So here you can see apple is displayed. Now let's see how to modify the list elements. So lists are mutable, not like the normal strings, which means we can change their values. So let's change the element banana into mango. So the index number of banana is 1. Therefore we'll write the list name and the index number of banana in square brackets, and then write the element. Let's write mango. Now let's print it. Print fruits 1. So earlier the index number 1 was banana, and since we changed it here, the output is mango. Now the next concept is how to find the length of a list. So to find the length of a list, we use a len function, len. So it is used as print, then len function. Inside that we'll write the list name. So this will give the number of elements in that particular list. Let me run this. So here it shows 3, since we have 3 elements in the list. The next one is looping through a list. So list becomes super powerful when it is combined with loops. For example, let me clear this. If I want to print all the elements in a particular list, for example here fruits, so I'll write a for loop for items in fruits. So here items is nothing but a variable and fruits is the list name. Then I'll write print items. Sorry, items. So this loop prints each item inside the list one by one. So let me run this. Here you can see apple, banana, and orange. The looping system is used everywhere in real programs. So now let me make you understand what are the common beginner mistakes. The common beginner mistakes are forgetting the square brackets. Like the elements are written inside square brackets and using wrong index. That means the indexation that means the index of the first element is 0. It starts from 0 then and goes on. So that's it. These are the common beginner mistakes, and I hope you like the video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss day 9. See you in the next video.